Hello, guys, and welcome back. I am about to board on this enormous ship, the India's one and only biggest cruise, reputedly known as Cordelia Cruise. I'm just intoxicated, electrified, elevated, excited, eager to enter this cruise.
We are ready to depart from Mumbai Port, Green Gate. So they are preparing. We are going to begin at 8 o'clock. It's 7:05 right now. You can see international cruise.
Consisting of 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast of the ship's whistle and alarm bells.
Good morning, everyone. This is Rahul here. Wow, the view looks so charming.
Windy wind. यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा वेव्स फील होता है, नीचे कुछ फील नहीं होता. So this is the front view. मुझे अब नीचे जाने का मन कर रहा है.
Hello guys and welcome back. Super happy right now. इस वीडियो में मैं करने वाला व्लॉग और डे इन इंडियाज बिगेस्ट क्रूज. तो मेरे पीछे है एक शानदार नज़ारा, देखना है आपको. वाव, ये रूम भी ना कितने सही है, मतलब के वाटर के वेव्स. वाओ, मतलब और बोट में बैठा ऐसा फील भी नहीं आता. मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक ऐसे पानी के वेव्स है, आप भी ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हो, लाइक ऐसे बैठे ऐसे कुछ फील नहीं होता. ऐसा लग रहा है मूवेबल रिसोर्ट, मतलब यू डोंट फील एनीथिंग इनसाइड. अभी मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे, बॉटल रखा है, कुछ वाइब्रेशन फील नहीं होगा. मतलब इतना साइलेंट है, नींद तो अच्छे से आ जाती है. एंड आई एम वेरी हंग्री राइट नाउ, सो ब्रेकफास्ट करने जाता हूँ. लेट्स गो.
यस, और एक रूम का की. हाँ यार, या तो ये बहुत बड़े कॉरिडोर्स. ओ माय गॉड, क्या बोलूँ. मतलब चलते हो कि थक जाएंगे, इतने पेशेंटली चलना पड़ता है. हलू 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 हलू. वाओ, कितना ब्यूटीफुल है. कल नहीं था क्रिसमस ट्री. मतलब ये टोटल 10 डेक्स का है. देखो नीचे भी है ये, मतलब 5th एक स्टेट लेवल जैसा बोल सकते हैं. उसके नीचे 4th, 3rd, 2nd है. लिफ्ट है यहाँ पे, 4 लिफ्ट. मेरे को लगा नहीं था, लाइक सो मेनी लिफ्ट. एंड द लिफ्ट्स आर सुपर डुपर फास्ट. बहुत फास्ट है लिफ्ट. एंड किधर है अभी, ऊपर है दीज टू. वाओ, आई विल शो यू वाटर. वाओ, क्रेजी. कितना सही दिख रहा है भाई साहब. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. Okay, so I'm done with the breakfast and सही था यार खाना. Every day अलग अलग. All the sauce. In the elevator. we're going down. 10 number तो बताया मैंने. Oops, we are too down. I think I'm always scared to go here.
First reason is because there are no one over there. The second reason is like the entry gates, and the third reason is you can hear the big engine sound over there, and you could have read that on the screen right now. So I'm at the end of the ship right now.
Complete different feel. Like there's almost no one here.
And I had deck number 4 before, and then upgraded to deck number 8. Looks like there's room over here. Is this casino? Oh, it's so cold. Oh, casino royal. Okay. So this was supposed to be in 6th floor. So I think I'm in 6th deck only right now. Properly sanitized with everything. Wow. Casino is 18 plus.
Dancing चालू है नीचे.
It is lunchtime right now, and wow, so we are here at Starlight Restaurant. There are 2 restaurants. The like 10th floor पे एक है and the 4th deck. Wow, beautifully organized. It's going actually fast right now. You can see the water waves. Can you guess how much is the speed? Just comment down what do you think how much is the speed of this. There is Jain food as well. अभी इधर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. It's very very hot over here. I feel like going inside. Tasty है. It's very cold and satisfying temperature inside. Wow, now feels better. अभी मैं आ गया रूम में and मैं जा रहा हूँ रूम से बाहर. तो कॉर्डेलिया जो है हमें कार्ड्स देती है, मेंबर कार्ड्स, जिससे हम रूम अनलॉक लॉक कर सकते हैं. और इसके अंदर इट्स लाइक अ क्रेडिट कार्ड जिसमें हम पैसे डाल के यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो भी एबिनिटीज़ हैं. एबिनिटीज़ एज सच लाइक एडिशनल, जिसमें लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ड्रिंक्स और स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो अभी उसी में आई एम गोइंग टू एड अप सम बैलेंस.
Hello everyone. I hope you are having a lovely time on board our beautiful Empress
Yes.
and enjoying all the services that we have to offer you. Just to remind you, the shore excursion counter is now open for Lakshadweep tour bookings.
So external code.
There is a
Okay, we have to
compulsory
go down.
permit charge to visit the Kadmat island of Lakshadweep. Hence, we request all our guests to visit the shore excursion counter to book your tour located on deck number 5 near
Just look how
reception.
beautiful it looks.
Guests who have already booked your tour, please collect your tour tickets from the shore excursion counter.
खुल जा सिम सिम. So ये सब है 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So it's over here, chopsticks. So we are on 5th deck right now. खाना हो गया and there's the beautiful view. Feels so pleasing sitting over here. Entire different place. I'm thinking to go to my room right now. And yes, even I've got such picture. वैसे ये छोटा इतना लंबा passage नहीं है. And there's only room one side because in the other part there were 2-sided rooms. And there's another, like there are so many rooms. Here also room, there also room. I don't know. Now this is different for me. Okay, this very long one again. Again there are a lot of rooms here. What's here by the way? It's locked. Oops.
And yeah, I didn't show you this. AC control. वैसे यहाँ पे ये like there's a different country switch. And yeah, Cordelia was basically purchased from US in 2006. It was made in 1991. बहुत पुरानी बोट है Cordelia. Lot of drawers. Lot of drawers. This is the washroom. That's good. That's super tiny. That's not that. Like, right, you have to adjust.
And yes, यहाँ पे एक TV भी है.
It's like a
And the front view is like of the damaged CCTV camera you can see right now. And I'll think of watching something else right now.
क्या ही है?
ऊपर की तरफ 200
रूल 259 को तो काफी लोगों ने पढ़ा है, लेकिन
लगाना है ऊपर के
मरेगा। बोल बोल
क्या बोलूं?
That it's just gone off the surface just enough, and the long vigil comes to an
I think ठंडी हवा आनी शुरू हो गई है. Let's go to the top floor, open deck.
By the way, do you know that Shah Rukh Khan का जो बेटा है Aryan Khan was caught in this cruise 3 months ago. Like what happened was he had entirely booked this cruise like पूरा for accommodation of maybe 500 people, and in that he was caught in drug case by the CBI, and वही हादसा इसी क्रूज में हुआ था.
शो जिसका नाम है बल्ले बल्ले.
By the way, this is the Cordelia booklet, like the Cordelia Today, जिसमें सब एक्टिविटी जो भी होता है एवरीडे वो बताया जाता है. And all the details like the location and stuff has been given here. Like day to day बदलता है ये. So it's for today.
Cordelia Today, 21st December 2021.
Before we commence with the show, we would like to thank the team at Cordelia Cruises. A big round of applause for them.
गाल छोड़ और मेरी गाल सुन. इस बार ओ माय रब्बा आपके
होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से.
सो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरे रूम में. मैंने एक टाइम लैप्स रखा था एंड द GoPro इज ऑन. अभी इंटरमिशन हो गया. जो अभी शो चल रहा था, शो का नाम बल्ले बल्ले है. बहुत अच्छा शो है. ये टाइम लैप्स देख लेता हूँ मैं। सो यस 10 मिनट्स होने आए, आई हैव टू रन। So here it begins again. By the way, सब लोगों ने RT-PCR कोविड टेस्ट किया एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज पीपल आर नेगेटिव, तो है ना सेफ लगता है।
लिक्विड करेज ओ हुण तू वेख मैं सब सेट कर देना है।
आण दो नानू।
ओए नहीं जान तो मुन्ना मु
So done with the show, like I call it movie better. It was just exceptional. It was so unique. Just halfway right here. I'll have to go to there. Just check it out. It was so long. Oh, what's this? Yes, there's a book frame. There's another frame right here. Now what's over there? Oh my god, it's so much. कितना सारा है यहाँ पर and खोने के chances भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। I think ऐसे किधर random जगह पे जाने के बाद अच्छे अच्छे frames है। Okay. यहाँ पे yes, there's the elevator. I got freshen up right now and I think I am hungry right now. So I think I'll have to eat food again. So let's go. Let's go to the 10th floor. वहाँ पे भी होता है खाना। फील नहीं होता शिप में है अभी, पानी अंधेरे में हो गया। खुला सिमसम या You can just observe and see this right now कि पानी जो है स्विमिंग पूल का रिफ्रेश हो रहा है। पहले का पानी निकल रहा है, नया पानी आ रहा है। Here is the place where you can make your own coffee, but that's the reality that you can't make क्योंकि बहुत खट्टी बनती है sachets के साथ. It's like real bad. I am down again क्योंकि ऊपर वाले रेस्टोरेंट में थोड़ी ठंडी बज रही थी. कैफ़े 7th floor. So I'm done editing this entire vlog right now. You can just check it out. It was at initial of 56 minutes, brought down to 20 minutes 49 seconds roughly, and you can see the number of clips over here. Just check this out, like more than 160 clips are over here. Special thanks to Apple's M1 MacBook Pro's silicon chip, because it made the editing super smooth, butter smooth with no problem. And you can just see this. So that's all. The part 2 is coming, and just done with the editing of this. Right now just getting the option to render in 1080p. So I think that's gonna work. I hope you have liked, shared, comment, subscribed, turn on the notification bell if you're in doubt, comment down below. Bye bye.